What is dose escalation in phase 1 clinical trials? Have you ever wondered how new treatments are tested for safety before they reach the market? One key process in this journey is called dose escalation in phase 1 clinical trials. This method helps researchers find the right amount of a new drug that can be given to patients without causing serious side effects. In phase 1 trials, the focus is primarily on safety. Researchers start with a small group of patients and give them a low dose of the drug. If the patients tolerate this dose well, the next group receives a higher amount. This step-by-step approach continues until researchers identify the maximum tolerated dose, which is the highest dose that can be given safely. One common method used in dose escalation is known as the 3+3 design. In this approach, groups of 3 patients receive a specific dose. If none or only one of these patients experiences significant side effects, the dose is increased for the next group. However, if more than one patient has severe side effects, the dose escalation stops, and the previous lower dose is considered the maximum tolerated dose. Monitoring is vital during this process. Researchers keep a close eye on the patients to ensure their safety. They use mathematical models to determine how much to increase the dose at each step. Sometimes, adjustments are made based on the side effects observed in earlier groups. For patients thinking about joining a phase 1 trial, understanding dose escalation is essential. It means that the treatment will start at a low level and increase gradually, always prioritizing safety. This careful approach helps researchers find the safest and most effective dose to test in later phases of clinical trials, where the focus shifts more toward how well the drug works. In phase 1 trials, dose escalation is a critical process that balances safety and effectiveness. By gradually increasing drug doses in small groups of patients, researchers can ensure that they find the best dose for future studies. This method is a vital step in the journey of bringing new treatments to those who need them.